Hey, welcome back. Van here. Today we're going to make baked omelets, or a reversed stacked baked omelet, whatever you want to call it. But it's very simple to make. You take your vegetables, dice them up. You can use bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, mushrooms, zucchini, tomato, onions, it doesn't matter. But dice them up really fine like this. This is all I'm going to use in mine is onions, Vidalia onions, and a green pepper that's diced up. Next you want to take and fold your meat like this. And sometimes it tears. Put it in here like that. And I did take a little bit of oil, put it on a paper towel, and I put them inside my pan like you would do a cake pan. So yeah, just fold it up like this. This is 100 calories, right about 100 calories. It's a very good breakfast for you. Go ahead and be preheating your oven to 350 degrees. And I'm using thick sliced turkey. Next you want to put a spoonful of these vegetables down the bottom. You can use 1 to 2 tablespoons, whatever you think is going to fit. But I greased the pan because sometimes the meat tears and you want your egg to be able to come out pretty good. Alright, next you want to break your eggs. Crack your egg down the side of it like this. Really gently plop this off down in there. But you can use whatever you want, whatever kind of meat you want to use. You can use ham. I think turkey is a little better for people. Myself. And ham's got a lot of sodium in it. After you get this in here like this, then you want to go ahead and put some salt, pepper, smoked paprika, cumin, whatever you want to on top. All I'm going to use is a little bit of the smoked chipotle salt that I've got. You can find a link in the description box down below to find you some of this chipotle salt blend. Purchase that online, Amazon, get it free shipping, quick and easy. That is it. Next we're going to throw this in the oven for 15 minutes. Look at that. That is awesome. Let's show what you can do with these things is very carefully take it out of here and put it in here and put them in the fridge. You can heat them up the next day and have several of them for the week. Just pull that out. There you go. If you find these little containers like this, you can do the same thing with them. Pull it out real easy. Put it down inside there. Put your lid on. Good to go. Thumbnail. All right, y'all. So we're looking at probably around 200, a little over 200 calories. Man, good googly goo. These things smell good with the peppers and the onions in it. Oh, we need to do something else. Top it with some cheese and some Marie Sharp's habanero hot sauce. You can use any kind of hot sauce. I see a lot of people using Texas Pete on their videos, not for these, but just in general, people eat and they use Texas Pete a lot. But I'm kind of leaning towards Marie Sharp's habanero hot sauce because I like it. Let's just dig into this thing right here. Oh, good Lord. Wow. Y'all gonna love this. It's like an eggs benedict with the taste of an omelet. And then you got the yolk that you finish up with the bread. And you can also, if you don't like runny yolk, you can pop that yolk before you start cooking it. And there's actually one in the pan. When I get through here in a second, I'll show you what it looks like. Wow. So there you go, a low-cal breakfast You got a little bit of carbs in here. A great after workout meal. Can't beat it. There's the one that the egg yolk was popped. So hey, if you're new to my channel is all about saving you time and money with my how-tos and reviews. On Thursday and then on Fridays was a food review, but due to health issues with bagged cholesterol and whatnot, we're going with a healthy menu on Fridays with some great recipes. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one now. You come back.